Hey friends, it's Nikki Jackson with Elevate the Narrative. Hey, I'm not sure if you saw this or not, but on Wednesday, November 13th, 2024 at 1 o'clock Eastern Time, I'm going to give a session called How to Build a Conference and Event Roadmap in Microsoft SharePoint. I'm a big fan of Microsoft 365 and its suite of solutions. I love them all, honestly, so much. I am going to be using Teams for it, so there is going to be a cap on the number of people that can attend, but you would be amazed by how many organizations I've worked with in the risk and insurance industry that do not have a conference and event roadmap in place. I think this is a critical staple for any business. And so I'm going to share with you exactly how I organize it for my team and my business. And you're going to see some of the bells and whistles. So we're going to talk about why I think you need it. We're going to show you exactly how to set it up. And then I'm going to give you some tips and tricks. So how to get alerts and certain automations and things of that nature. I'll give you a quick little preview here. So you're looking at Elevate the Narrative's SharePoint homepage. I've only got 4 main sections. It's very much set up like a P&L statement. So for me, the conference and event roadmap lives in the growth area of our SharePoint site. Growth for us is all about sales and marketing, right? So this is the area where we've got all the links to our social platforms, to all of our folders in both sales and marketing. But we've also got the conference and event roadmap. So I have that linked over here. If I click on it and go to it, I'll show you a quick preview. Boom. Here it is. It shows whether it's a conference or an event, or if we're speaking at it, the lines of business that that conference or event targets, what it's called, whether we've looked at it as an organization to determine if there's some ROI potential and whether or not we want to actually exhibit or sponsor or a combination of the two, or however that looks like for your business, the date of the event, where it is. Maybe you've got a sales team that's traveling, so this is really handy to be able to consolidate some of their road trips and whatnot, how much it might cost, who's attending. We look at historical data too. Have we gone in the past? So this is just an incredible tool. It's so valuable for your organization. And you can get alerts to various departments when someone requests it or when something has been approved, and have your sales team notified. It's so simple, but it's an element that's missing for a lot of organizations out there, again, servicing the risk and insurance community. So join us again on November 13th at 1 Eastern, and I'll walk you through what this looks like. Hope to see you then. Bye.